Hi, I'm Kyle, and this is Ask an Engineer, where we answer all of your questions on foundation and concrete repair problems. And I know you want to know more about that, so let's go. All right, so today we're going to be talking about foundation wall problems. And the best place to start is right at the beginning. What is it that causes foundation wall problems? Well, your foundation has two main jobs. Its first job is to hold up the weight of the house. Its other job is to hold back the soils that surround your foundation. And the important thing to understand about soils is that they are in a constant state of change. And most of those changes have to do with moisture. Some soils can swell and shrink with changes in moisture. So when that soil gets larger, it will push harder on the foundation wall. And even if you don't have soils that change in volume, the water itself builds up something called hydrostatic pressure. So the water actually puts more force on your foundation wall. But there are other things that can change the levels of moisture surrounding your foundation. Think about long periods of drought, long periods of heavy rain, new irrigation systems. And actually, in the wintertime, that water is going to freeze. And I don't know if you knew this about water, but ice grows when it freezes. It's actually about 10% larger than water when it's thawed. So all of that moisture next to your foundation, which is kind of locked in place, it is going to swell and it is going to put a great deal of force on your foundation wall. So really, your foundation is never done proving itself. So there you go. I've just taught you about a bunch of problems, and I'm sure you're wondering, are there any solutions? Well, of course the answer is yes, and we are going to talk about all foundation repair options right here on future episodes of Ask an Engineer. Please click the like button. You're not going to hurt my feelings if you hit the subscribe button, and we will see you next time.